Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth, but it is also a journey filled with pitfalls. सबसे पहले ये समझना जरूरी है कि इन्वेस्टिंग सिर्फ मेक क्विक मनी स्कीम नहीं है. It is a long-term approach that shapes your financial future. But when you are just starting out, there are some common mistakes that you should avoid. In this video, we will discuss 5 common mistakes that new investors make and how you can avoid them to make smarter financial decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. अगर आप ये मिस्टेक्स अवॉइड करेंगे तो आप अपने फाइनेंशियल गोल्स जल्दी अचीव कर पाएंगे. मिस्टेक नंबर 1 इज नॉट डूइंग इनफ रिसर्च. व्हेन यू आर न्यू टू इन्वेस्टिंग, मेनी पीपल मेक द मिस्टेक ऑफ एक्टिंग ऑन टिप्स दे हियर फ्रॉम फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली और इवन सोशल मीडिया. ये स्टॉक अच्छा चल रहा है, इन्वेस्ट कर लो. पर अगर आप बिना सोचे समझे कहीं भी इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो ये काफी रिस्की हो सकता है. बिफोर पुटिंग योर मनी इनटू एनी एसेट, इट्स क्रूशियल टू रिसर्च अबाउट द एसेट और कंपनी दैट यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन, about its future prospects and the risk involved. हर इन्वेस्टमेंट में रिस्क होता है और आपको ये समझना चाहिए कि आप कहां इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो. Doing your homework will help you make informed decisions. The basic principle of investing is understanding the asset you are investing in. If you don't understand it, you are gambling with your own hard-earned money. So always invest in what you understand. Mistake number 2 is focusing only on short-term gains. This is a common mistake that many new investors make. They see a stock or asset going up and they want to jump in right away to take advantage of short-term profit. But investing is not about quick wins. मार्केट में ups and downs होते रहेंगे. अगर आप सिर्फ short-term gains पे फोकस करोगे तो आप long-term wealth creation को मिस कर दोगे. You should look at investing as long-term strategy. The core principle of investing is patience. It's not about making money today, but about making smart choices for long term. By keeping your focus on long-term growth, you are more likely to achieve your financial goals without getting caught up in short-term volatility. Mistake number 3 is overlooking fees and commissions. काफी बार नए इन्वेस्टर्स को ये पता ही नहीं होता कि हर इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ कुछ फीस और कमीशंस एसोसिएटेड रहती हैं. अगर आप म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो उसका एक्सपेंस रेशियो देखना इंपॉर्टेंट है, और अगर आप ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स यूज कर रहे हो तो कमीशन स्ट्रक्चर को समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. These fees add up over time and can eat into your returns. फीस इनिशियल में छोटी लगती हैं, लेकिन टाइम के साथ ये आपके रिटर्न्स को काफी इंपैक्ट कर सकती हैं. Every financial transaction has a cost. The goal is to understand what those costs are and ensure that they don't eat away your long-term returns. Low fees options are usually better in the long run, so always look for those. Mistake number 4 is putting all your money in one asset or stock. This is another common mistake, that investing all your money in one single stock or asset. While a single stock might seem like a good bet, concentrating all your money in one place increases your risk. रिस्क को मैनेज करने का बेस्ट तरीका है डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. अगर आप अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को अलग अलग एसेट, सेक्टर्स और कंट्रीज में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे तो अगर एक एसेट परफॉर्म नहीं भी करे तो बाकी एसेट्स आपको प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे. द फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रिस्क मैनेजमेंट इज दैट डोंट पुट ऑल योर एग्स इन वन सिंगल बास्केट. इफ वन एसेट गोज डाउन, अदर एसेट्स विल हेल्प बैलेंस द लॉस. डाइवर्सिफिकेशन अलाउज यू टू प्रोटेक्ट योर ओवरऑल पोर्टफोलियो फ्रॉम हाई रिस्क. मिस्टेक नंबर 5 is letting emotions drive your decisions. Investing can be emotional, especially when markets are volatile. Fear, greed, and fear of missing out can push you to make hasty decisions. You might panic sell when markets dip or chase higher returns when everything is going up. These emotional decisions often lead to losses. The key is to stay rational, stick to your plan even when things are tough. The goal of investing is to build wealth over time, not to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. The core principle of investing is rational decision making. Don't let fear or greed drive your actions. Trust your research, stick to your strategy, and stay calm in the phases of volatility. Now let's quickly recap the 5 mistakes that you should avoid when you are starting your investment journey. First mistake is not doing enough research. Always understand what you are investing in. Second mistake is focusing only on short-term gains. Think long-term for sustainable wealth growth. Third mistake is overlooking fees and commissions. Understand the costs associated with your investments. Fourth mistake is putting all your money in one single asset. Diversify your investments to manage risk. Fifth and last mistake is letting your emotions drive your decisions. Stay rational and follow your strategy. If you avoid these mistakes, you will be on a much better path toward achieving your financial goal. If you found this video helpful, kindly consider hitting that like button and subscribe to my channel for more actionable and simple content. Also share this video with someone you know who just started with investing. With that said, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.